Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Aditi Wada, and today I am going to present post-colonial studies. And today's my topic is Frantz Fanon, post-colonial writer. First of all, we can know about Frantz Fanon. Frantz Fanon was born on 20th July 1925 in Fourth de France in Martinique in French West Indies, and he was died in 6th December 1961 in Bethesda, Maryland in United States. And he was mainly interested in decolonization and post-colonial revolution, psychopathoanalysis, pathology of colonization and racism also, and his notable ideas is a double consciousness, colonial alienation in his works. Frantz Fanon. Frantz Fanon, also known as Ibrahim Frantz Fanon, he was known as an allegory political theorist, and he was also known as a psychiatrist, philosopher, revolutionary, and writer also. And his work are influential in the fields of post-colonial studies, critical theory, and Marxism. And Frantz Fanon was a political radical pan-Africanist and Marxist humanist concerned with the psychopathology of colonization and human, social, and cultural consequence of decolonization. And in 1956, he became an editor of its newspaper El Mojd Jahid, published in Tunis. And here we can see his most famous and notable works. Black Skin, White Marks is published in 1952, and his most famous work, The Wretched of the Earth, published in 1961, and The Dying Colonialism is now published in 1959, and Towards the African Revolution in 1964, and The Black Skin and White Mask and The Wretched of the Earth, both works has financed the most prominent contributor to the field of post-colonial studies. And first of all, we can see about Black Skin, White Mask. Black Skin, White Marks is published in 1952. The book is written in the style of autoethnography, and in this Black Skin, White Marks, an analysis of the psychological effects of colonial subjection on the people identified as black. And this book has originally doctored the thesis submitted at Lyon and entitled The Declination of the Black Man. And the Black Skin, White Mask has broken down in two categories. First category is the violence of the colonizer through annihilation of body, psychoculture, along with the demarcation of space. And his second category is the violence of the colonized as an attempt to retrieve dignity, sense of self, and history, the anti-colonial struggle. And Fanon used psychoanalysis and psychoanalytical theory to explain the feelings of dependency and inadequacy that the black people experience in the white world. The white world. Fanon's works are directly influenced by the negritude movement. Fanon reformulated the theory of seizure and Leopold Senghor by posting a new theory of consciousness, and also his argues is even more evident in the upwardly mobile and educated black people who can afford to acquire the trapping of white culture. And here I would like to recite one quote from the Black Skin, White Mask. Man is human only to the extent to which he tries to impose himself on another man in order to be recognized by him. As long as he has not been effectively recognized by the other, and it is this other who remains the focus of his action, his human's worth and reality depend on this other and on his recognized by the other. And it is in this other that the meaning of his life condensed. And this quote is written by Frantz Fanon in his work. And then next we can see about the wretched of the earth. Mostly we all can know about the wretched of the earth because we can study this novel in our syllabus also. And the wretched of the earth is published in 1961. And the wretched of the earth is a brilliantly analysis of a psychology of the colonized and their path of liberation. And the wretched of the earth language title derives from the French language opening lyrics of the International. And also the wretched of the earth influence work of focuses on what he believed is the necessary role of violence by activists in conducting decolonization struggles, and defines a colonialism and its construct, the psychology of colonialism and its stubble effect on the colonized, and the use of language as a tool of oppression, and the most important, the need for a revolution against the colonial ruling class. And we can see the colonization is a creation of two conflicting society, one of the colonizer and second one is colonized. And Fanon advocated violence against the shelter as the way for colonized people to regain their sense of self-respect. And here I also recite one quote from the wretched of the earth, and this quote is, everything can be explained to the people on the single condition that you want them to understand. And this quote is written by Franz Fanon. And next we can see about towards the African revolution. And this work is collection of essays, and it is published in 1964. And this is the powerful collection of articles, essays and letters spans the period between black skin white marks and the wretched of the earth. Fanon's landmark manifestos on the psychology of the colonized and the means of empowerment necessary for their liberation. Next we can see about a colonialism. And a dining colonialism is published in 1959. And it gave information about cultural and political changes by Allegren. And a dying colonialism, in which the author provides an account of the Allegrian War. And Fanon uses the fifth year of Allegrian Revolution as a point of departure for an explanation of the inevitable dynamics of colonial oppression. And here is my reference. And thank you, everyone.